Whether you are teaching phrases or individual words, you can get a lot of use out of construction paper by just taking strips of it and writing on the paper. And you don't need very much magnetic tape to get that to stick. So this isn't even laminated. What that all means is that, one, this is a really cheap way to do some movable type or movable phrases, and it's also very fast. It's also going to be durable enough to get the job done. You know, you could use this for several lessons in a row and it's still going to be in pretty good condition. So you don't need to do anything more fancy or more expensive than that. That is the technique that I really recommend. And, of course, if you use different colors of construction paper, you could use that for different word types, like nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives. And now you can start to move those around to show your students how they interact with each other. And if you're going to do that, then what you might want to do is make like a color key for your students by getting a strip and writing on it noun, adjective, make a adverb one, make one for whatever. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Or whatever else you're going to do. That particular system and approach is very adaptable. It gives you color coding, and you can move it around, which is great. And as you can see, you're moving it around on the whiteboard as well, which means you have the ultimate flexibility of doing things like writing on the whiteboard and then moving stuff around. Like, first, roll the lemons. Second, squeeze the lemons. And maybe, finally, add white sugar. You can have your students do things like putting stuff in the correct list order. You can put stuff in grammatical order for like proper syntax and grammar, or in the correct order for modifiers. Where do modifiers go? Where do you place prefixes and suffixes? Once you start using this kind of a system, you're actually going to get a lot of extra ideas about how to use it because it is so flexible. I highly recommend trying this out for a few different lessons while you're still in your preparation phase before class. Put some materials together this way, give it a try, and I think you'll be very pleased. And as you get results, you're going to want to use it more. As you use it more, you're going to get more ideas, and it's going to become one of your favorite tools, I guarantee.